Hi, it's Mike here from DPF Tech. I'm working on a Audi A1. The vehicle was a non-start. DPF was totally blocked. Eventually got it cleared and started, but then there was a heavy engine misfire, which ultimately we identified as cylinder scoring. The engine basically knackered due to excessive amounts of soot in the engine oil. The way we tested for this was using an oscilloscope. We went in via the dipstick, using a pressure probe, and then synchronized off cylinder 1 using an amp clamp. The readings you can see on here should be absolutely level, showing good compression. These are all over the place. The engine ground itself to oblivion, mainly through 6 weeks of constant regenerations. Need to see a warning light, give somebody a call.